Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can open and clean mine filter in Gorenje washing machine. So in the first step you have to put inside the flat tool to open gently the cover. Okay, as you can see in this place we have a filter, so we have to turn it to the left side, but remember to prepare before the vessel or something, because there is a risk to the water flow. So just turn it to the left side, remove that. After that you have to clean it with no any problem, put inside, turn to the right side to close and close the cover. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.